looking for the best serums to try out, we're actually overwhelmed on which of the serums we're going to try out. Then you will have hyperpigmentation, acne, dark spots. Today's video is for you. I'm going to be sharing the best serums that is worth trying out. I'm going to talk about what they are for, who they are for, what they do. So let's get to it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Serum. On this channel I create skincare and beauty content that will help you with your skincare journey, so that you don't go and buy just anyhow products. So guys, if you enjoy skincare review and recommendation, please do well to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any upload. Before we jump into recommendation, so let's actually know what serum means. Serums are lightweight skincare products that are packed with active ingredients, most especially for skin concern. Like if you have a particular skin concern, it's not like moisturizer that you just use for just to moisturize your face. It's actually for a particular skin concern. So the ingredients that comes with serums are niacinamide, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid. So they have other ingredients, but these are the most popular ingredients that are known for serums that actually target skin concern. Remember that when choosing a serum, you're actually choosing a serum that are actually good for your skin type. You don't just go and buy serum without actually knowing what you are buying it for. Next on our topic today is best serum for acne prone skin. So if you're struggling with acne, excess oil, large pores on your face, so one of the best serum to try out is the Ordinary. The Ordinary contains 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. So this particular serum targets the acne on your face, the excess oil, and when you have a large pores. So it targets the skin concern, which is the acne that reoccurs on your face. They have other serums that you can try out. I'm going to put them on the screen here. These are the serums you can also try out with these serums. So remember that when you are buying your serums, you are actually reading the ingredients on the body to actually know whether these serums are targeting your skin concern. Our next topic is best serums for dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So if you're struggling with dark spots, acne marks, and uneven skin tones, one of the products worth trying out is Good Molecule Discoloration Correcting Serum. They have other ones that target like Tiam. Tiam also target hyperpigmentation. It contains niacinamide and 2% alpha-arbutin. Those good molecules is also a good product that targets that particular skin concern, which is maybe you have an acne mark on your face. It will help you to smoothen out your face. You know, when you have that acne mark, it makes your face look rough. That's the work of the serum, to actually smoothen out those marks on your face and give it and even out your tone. So if you're actually struggling for that, you can actually go for these serums to help you treat your hyperpigmentation, acne marks, and also even out your skin tone. So next is best hydrating serums. So if you're actually struggling with like your face, you have a dry face, like you can see now, my face is actually moisturized because I use my serum and my moisturizer. So if you're actually that type of person that whenever you use all those things on your face and your face are still get dry and you feel dehydrated, this particular serum is going to work for your face. So the serum that are worth trying out is CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid. They also have the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. So these serums are going to help to target your skin concern. Like I said earlier, if you are struggling with dry skin and you always feel dehydrated, ensuring that you get serums that contain hyaluronic acid that would work on your skin concern is very important. So the next serum to try out is vitamin C for brightening. So if you are someone that wants to like boost your glow and protect your skin from environmental damage, vitamin C is a must-have. So because you know, when you go out to the sun and you have some dark spots, or like just to boost your glow, just to make to give your face that special glow. You can actually add vitamin C on your face. But mind you that if you have an acne prone skin, the C is not for you. Do you know why I say so? I have an experience on when I bought vitamin C. That was like I was trying out like the product to use on my face. Then I bought this vitamin C and I keep having new breakouts on my face. So then I find out that vitamin C are not actually good for acne prone skin. But if your skin, you have a normal skin and you don't easily break out, I would advise that you get vitamin C. It's a good serum that you would love to add to your skincare product. So vitamin C is best applied in the morning with your sunscreen. You must apply your sunscreen. It's a must. Sunscreen is a must. Our next is best anti-aging serum. So you know that when you struggle with fine lines, wrinkles, like maybe your faces are slacking or something, you can actually add retinol serum to your skincare product. One of the products that is worth trying out is CeraVe Refocusing Serum. They can also have the ordinary retinol and other serums to try. These serums are one of the serums that will tackle your skincare concern when it comes to aging, wrinkles on your face. So these serums are best for you if you struggle with those things. That can help to lift your face, help to give you a young look. So if you are struggling with wrinkles on your face, and using retinol is going to be good for your face. Before we come to the end of this video, here are the right serum to choose when buying your skincare products. So for oily and acne prone skin, you are going for niacinamide. Then if you are struggling with hyperpigmentation and dark spots, remember that you are going for serums that contain tranexamic acid or vitamin C. Then if you are struggling with dry skin, or if you're struggling with dry skin and tight skin, like your face feels hydrated, you are buying serums that contain hyaluronic acid. And also if you are struggling with fine lines and textures and wrinkles on your face, remember that you are buying serums that contain retinol. Then if you're struggling with dull skin, then you ensure that you are buying serums that contain vitamin C. Remember that you are not buying all the serums, you're actually getting the serums that addresses your particular skin concern. So you're not just going to the market to go and buy all the serums without even reading the content of the body. You're wasting money. So focus on buying the right serum for your skin so that it will give out the result and you'll be happy buying the right serum. Finally guys, I have come to the end of this video. Those serums that I mentioned earlier are the best serums that are worth trying out depending on your skin concern. Remember that you are buying serums that target your skin concern so that you wouldn't waste money buying the wrong serums. Have you tried any of this serum before? Drop it on the comment section. Let's talk about it. If you have a favorite serum that transformed your skin and gave you the glow, I would love to hear about it. Drop it on the comment section. Let me hear about it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, hit the like button, and share to someone that are starting their skincare journey. Who knows, it might help them to choose the right serum for their skin. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.